Hi! In front of me is LENOVO TAB M9 and today I would like to show you how you can delete added password from Google Passwords Autofill. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Then select Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Passwords. Now click on one of your apps. I will go with this one. And enter your current login method. Now to delete chosen password, click on Delete button next to Edit. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully deleted from Google Passwords Manager. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!